In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Analyse in Excel feature, which is included in the Power BI portal. This way you can connect to the Ellipse tabular models using Excel to do your own analysis of the Ellipse data. So here am I already logged into the Power BI portal, and I'm in my Ellipse Asset Intelligence workspace. So I need to go across to Datasets and choose the data set that I'm interested in, which is equipment costing. Click on More Options and choose Analyse in Excel. Say Open in Excel, and it will download the data set, which you then just need to open. So here I have Excel already connected to my Ellipse tabular model of equipment costing. You'll see over here we have the usual list of tables. It will appear slightly different because the calculated fields are separated out into different tables at the top. Otherwise it's the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is move my pivot table across. And then I'm going to build up the fields I want in that table. So I'd like to have the data group by financial period and the cost type, and then I'm going to put the cost value in there. But I'm only interested in a certain EGI grouping, so I'm going into equipment details and I'm choosing the EGI name, but I want this as a slicer, so I can right click and say add as a slicer. And I'm going to put that over to the top left. And I'm going to choose one of these. Now also I want another slicer to narrow it down to the year that I'm interested in rather than having the periods. So there's a financial details table, so that should have more information, and there's a financial period year, which I'm going to right click and say add as a slicer. Now you can see only 2 years are actually highlighted, which means that there's only 2 years worth of data for this EGI. So I can select 2011, it narrows it down to the 1 year. I might also add to my pivot table the equipment reference in case there are more than one for that EGI. So I'm back to my equipment details and I'm looking for equipment reference. And it's there. So I can change its position by changing the order here. I might put it to the top and we'll see how that. So we only have one equipment reference for that EGI. So another thing you might want to do is show this in a chart. So highlight the values and choose a chart. I'm going to choose the 3D column chart. And there you have that data already graphed in a nice visualization for you. Now each time I change this pivot table, this information will change as they're linked. Thank you.